Now let's talk about random numbers. We can use three different functions in order to deal with random numbers. And we can create a new file here. We follow first secrets. Rename it secrets. And inside we'll create a new file called secret rand.py. Okay. Import secrets. Let's print it. Secrets dot, you have many choice. Choose one of these words dot split. Okay. You can also use run below or run bits, and run below you can pass an integer like 10 with a power of 6, or run bits with a number specifically. Okay. In first one, choice picks an element of random from a non-empty sequence. The second, run below, generates a random integer between 0 and the argument you call it with. And the third one, run bits, generates an integer with n random bits in it. Running all the code produces the following output. GDC pi secret. Okay. Of course, you won't obtain the same numbers that I got here. Don't worry about it.